So we've come for a drive to the Flinders Blowhole. This is just a look out at the top. And we've got two people down here snorkeling. Brad's waiting for me to go and find this blowhole.
I often hear them dudes talking. The blokes in the water.
Yep. Boat over there.
People are walking up the side of it.
A few cars around, but I don't know where all the people are. Maybe they're down here. Yep. Any yabbies in it, Brad?
No, I've been looking. We were here about 3 days ago. It was blowing that much wind we couldn't even get out of the car. It was crazy. That's how the blowhole drive around there. I don't think it's worth going any further.
We haven't really got the right footwear, have we?
Oh, you can get around there, but not all the way around to there. Around that corner.
No sign either.
Yeah, that's weird. I thought it was going to be just here somewhere.
Well,
I think we'll see just as much here as we will.
Might be over there where those people are.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah.
On the left of them.
Just saw it.
Oh, it's not that good. A bit of air rushed over there then, see that?
Well, we decided not to go any further. A bit too far. Ah, well.
We're going to burn off our dinner.
That was pretty healthy. Wraps are good. Anyway, back up the steep decline. What? Yep. There's BerT at the top. Anyway, we might head to what is it? Cape Schanck for the lighthouse. Back here. Look at the colour of that sea. Beautiful. Whew. Nearly there. There's BerT. Oh, I thought that was BerT. That's BerT. No, that is BerT. Which one is he? That's BerT. And that's a Mitsubishi.
Same colour, that.
That's why it looked, and it's got the rack, and it's a bit threw me. Toilet, anybody? Go in there. We walk through there, I presume, to get to there. All of a sudden we're out and open, so you can book tours, but they give you a website But there's no phone service down here to look it up and book it. So if you want to do it, make sure you do it when you've got phone service before you come. Lighthouse tours start time 11 AM. Saturday the 15th. Purchase tickets and check out here. So
I think it's open normally, it's just closed.
back again in the next advertised date, which is beside it, on Saturday the 15th. The cottage there. Emergency center. You must be able to go through that too. Look at that. Forgot. She's a big one. I better take some photos, I think. Before. I think that says. Say museum on the fence. Shut anyway. What is it with this joint? Museums are open Saturdays. We want to see the Sorrento Museum. It's open Saturday. This one's open Saturday at 11 when we'll be at the Sorrento. No wonder we have to stay longer to see everything. Oh wow, it is a nice view. Look at the colour, Brad. Or is it because of our glasses?
That's deep blue, isn't it?
Polaroid's glasses. I bet it's not like that. Oh, it is. Wow. Oh, look at that for a walk. All the way down there. There's people there. Oh wow, look at that. There's snorkelers down there again. Look, they're orange beacons. Floaties or whatever you call them. There.
You can charter out a bit further out. Nice spot.
Bit of swirl down there.
Even that's calm, isn't it, out there? That's pretty high, but it's still fairly calm.
Beautiful day. Oh, there's a big light bulb. Turn around. Big arrow on the roof, showing the wind's direction. Have a look at this monster. I just did a quick Google search using the photo of it. That is a horsefly. It is like monstrous. Have a look at the size of it again, those bricks. Let's go for a walk.
Same as the lighthouse, but a bit lower.
It's a lighthouse. Well, that point might be Cape Schanck, do you think?
Yeah, right. There you go, mate. Good, thanks.
More the same. Some beach somewhere. There's a nice view of everything up there.
Geez, a couple old houses here, really.
Oh well, back to BerT. Big bad BerT. Sitting there waiting patiently for us. Isn't he a good boy?